Hey, welcome to the show. This video is the first of a three-part series. I'm joined by three very funny and wonderful people, Addie, Kate, and Sarah, to talk about banking, fintech, and a lot of weird and frustrating things that we all have to deal with. We'll watch a video with Senator Kennedy from Louisiana and Rohit Chopra, who was the director of the CFPB at the time of this recording. And we'll talk about cryptocurrency and the Trump administration, and we'll somehow move into masculinity. You'll just have to watch to see how it all unfolds. By the way, we talk about crypto. None of this is investment advice. Speak to an investment advisor before you invest in anything. Other than that, enjoy.
I can't think
The
of a
Consumer Financial Protection Bureau
protection.
was established in 2010 through the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act in response to 2008 financial crisis. Banks don't like the CFPB. In 2020, the Supreme Court said that the president can fire the director at any point.
Wait, so it's ran by the Federal Reserve?
The Fed funds the Federal Reserve determines its budget, but it's a separate organization that basically goes out and looks for things like predatory lenders.
What does that even mean?
Predatory lender would be like a cash checking, short term, like payday loan type place where the interest rate's like 1,000% a month.
Why are you looking at me?
It's common. It's a very common way. It's a financial
Can you give us
tool.
an example of a place that does that?
Speedy loans?
Speedy cash.
Speedy cash. There you go.
I've never frequented a Speedy Cash.
So
Okay.
so these places, they look at those, they look at things like overdraft fees, anything where they think that consumers are being abused. They've recommended a late fee cap on credit cards of $8, which they are like $35, even if you're like 1 day late. They want to limit overdraft fees to $5. And they call them junk fees. But ultimately, Republicans do not like the CFPB. Banks don't really like the CFPB all that much. But their job is to protect people from abusive practices. So what I want to do is I want us to watch a video with the CFPB director and Senator Kennedy from Louisiana.
Anyone but Senator Kennedy.
Anyone but Senator Kennedy? I'm surprised by
No,
that.
Senator Kennedy for sure. Duh.
Thank you, Mr.
This is
Chairman.
Everybody's
Girl
favorite girl.
Just
How much
a
does she get paid to sit behind him, though?
I don't know.
I could take her
point of
job.
personal
I
privilege,
need
Sherrod. I've enjoyed working with you, and
How much does she
and,
get
I
paid
wish
to
you
make the
well.
face?
And I mean that.
She's got a
I still
poker
remember
face.
one of our
for sure.
earliest hearings. I was
Probably not even
brand new, Greens Gourd, and you and Tillis
Just thinking
and
about
I
what she's doing later.
got into a
She's like, just get through this. Just get
a
through this.
meatloaf lyrics discussion.
Oh, she's about to laugh. She's about to smile.
Oh, she's
One of
smiling.
the highlights of my life. Mr. Shilper, can the President of the United States fire you?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Have
Too
you had
happy
any
about that.
discussions with the new administration?
That's really for you to discuss with them. But no, we serve at the pleasure of the president.
Okay.
Sounded like a Chick-fil-A.
Here's one of the things that I've
My
All right,
pleasure.
always wondered.
Former Chick-fil-A.
Why haven't you
Chick-fil-A.
taken a look
Chick-fil-A has
Oh,
the
at
nicest.
what our
Chick-fil-A.
universities
It's the
have been
nicest
doing
what? Oh,
The
people?
in
employees.
terms
Yeah.
of
Yeah,
tuition?
because they
Because
have,
they have
to
to
be.
be.
I was reading a study
Really?
the other
Yeah,
day
else
They get
take
picked
them.
up by the
put out by
Chick-fil-A cops.
the New York Fed. It's a little dated. Things have probably gotten worse. But 60 cents of every dollar that our kids borrow has been diverted into higher tuition payments. And the universities have gotten more and more and more expensive. So kids borrow more and more and more money. So universities can hire more and more people and raise tuition to pay for it. And that doesn't seem fair to me. Why haven't you asked your people, or maybe you haven't know about it, to take a look at what, if any, nexus there is between this.
Yeah, well, we have found some nexus. When I was a regulator at the CFPB 10 years ago, we actually went after some of these schools. What they were doing,
You
they
went
were
after the for-profit schools. I'm talking about some of our more prominent universities that clearly keep raising their tuition as kids borrow more money.
Yeah,
I
I
understand
agree
the
with you.
for-profit, but I'm talking about the not-for-profit universities.
I agree. I agree that there are serious problems with how some universities can steer people into loans to borrow more and more and more. And I think as we think about fixing our student loan system, I don't know if the existing one is one we want to keep, because not only is it burdening a lot of people, but it may be creating the incentives for some universities to really be pushing up the costs. And that's actually a bad cycle. And we have seen it. We have seen it a lot with some of the for-profit schools, but also some of the nonprofits
We had
as
a
well.
former president at LSU
I like his glasses.
who was asking for yet another tuition increase from our legislature. I'm paraphrasing that. And a legislator asked him, he said, how do you determine how much to increase tuition? And in a rare moment of candor, he said, I just go out in the parking lot, the student parking lot, and count the BMWs. He's no longer president, by the way, nor should he be.
I mean, I want
I
a job
just-
counting BMWs.
I mean, I understand President Biden's approach has been to give the debt.
Not sure that's
but
what he meant.
it seems to me that at least the partial root of the problem is universities have gotten greedy. And it's costing more. Kids are spending more to learn less. And the rubber is about to meet the road because kids are just saying now it's not worth going to college. The numbers are declining. At some point, I mean, the demand is not completely inelastic. And I sure would like you folks to take a look at that.
Well, we'll keep doing that, and I'll follow up with you directly. I will share with you that we got to do something for the 40 million people who have student debt, but we also have to make sure there's not another 40 million who are really going to get into too much debt because of this cycle that you
Let me ask
mentioned
you one
as
last
well.
question in my 8 seconds. You're on the FDIC board.
Yes, sir.
How many people from Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank went to jail? How many executives did y'all put in jail?
Well, I can't comment on any investigations, but
No,
we'll
I'm
try
asking
our
how
best.
many. It's been a couple of years. How many went to jail?
If you are worried that there is not enough accountability, I share that worry, and
I
we
mean,
got to make
they
sure.
stole money. How many of them went to jail? How
It's
many
like to
did
say
the
it.
Answer the
FDIC?
question.
The
They
justice,
answer
the
it. I think I already
FDIC
know
can't
the
put him in
answer.
jail, but the Justice Department has
I
put
like when
0
they
in
try to
jail
like
so
beat
far.
around
Zero.
it.
Yeah.
So we are going to make sure that I can't disclose everything, but it needs to be fully investigated, the role that every individual
You
played.
better hurry, because I think it's unconscionable. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Senator Kennedy. And and you worked on our Recoup Act, which we had a strong vote here and couldn't get it moved on the floor because of industry opposition, as you know.
Mr. Chairman, can I just make one
Sure.
comment? I will share that it's pretty upsetting when there are large banks or CEOs who are able to get off scot-free, even when there's emergency measures. So I just share what many of you have shared with me, that there has to be some basic level of accountability, including for those at the top.
I feel
And
like
that's
Kennedy's gonna be
and
like,
that's
now how
something
many
that
went
I
to
put
jail?
as a priority at the CFPB
No, they don't.
of looking at
Hardly.
the individuals, especially when it comes to these repeat offenders, and many of them need to be banned from the industry altogether.
Senator Warren from Massachusetts.
They don't go to jail. They don't. Nobody
No.
goes to jail.
They got too much power.
They do. You're right. They do, and they can just delay. So he didn't talk about it in there, but he gotten really active because I think he knows most likely when President Trump comes in, he's going to get fired. Multiple people have asked him in that session, like, can he fire you? Yes, he can fire me.
Wait, who's gonna get fired?
Rohit Chopra.
Oh, okay.
So he
The one labeled the honorable.
I don't like him.
honorable. You don't like him, no?
No.
Is it
not?
because, like, when you look at him, you just kind of think he just looks like a grown kid? Just happens to be in a suit.
Kind of have a baby face, sure.
I don't like
yeah.
his energy.
You don't like his
Something's off.
energy.
Something's off.
Something's off.
Look at him.
Oh, we can find a better.
He looks like he's about to
moment.
do a Mr. Bean Bollywood version. Is that right to say? I mean, I was just looking at him and
What?
expressive.
Expressive. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm trying to find a normal. I guess if I did this to anybody, like, yeah, see, there we go. You can do that to anybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like cute because his energy's good.
His
No.
energy's good.
He's got good.
I like his glasses. I do like his glasses. We gotta find out more about this person behind him. I'm telling you, when I posted videos of Kennedy, people are like really curious about her. I have no idea what her name is or who she is, and I wouldn't say it either because I mean I think her fan base is broad. She is not impressed. Not impressed.
At all.
So, yeah, the president may, here's the things that could happen. The president could fire Rohit Chopra and replace him with somebody who maybe won't be as aggressive, since Republicans have the House and the Senate and the presidency. They could undo they could try to create something new. And Elon Musk, I don't have it here, but he thinks we should just get rid of that department altogether. But they've done a lot of good too. You don't like him, but you
They're
don't like
funded
him.
by the Federal Reserve, so something sneaky's going on.
I don't know. Y'all want to talk about cryptocurrency?
XRP, baby.
Let's go to the moon.
XRP.
Ooh, crypto. Let's talk about those meme coins.
Yeah, there we go. So tell me about XRP because I'm curious.
Well, Addie has been an endorser for many, many years.
Many, many years.
Yeah, like as long as I've known you.
Actually,
Like her whole
longer.
life.
Basically, it's just gonna be like the new Bitcoin, is what they're saying.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be bigger than Bitcoin.
Bigger than Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
With the president or like the CEO of Ripple, which is who owns XRP with
Yeah.
Trump and Elon Musk. But they just introduced a stable coin, like they just got it approved. So it's RLUSD, and XRP is going to be the ledger for it. So basically, it's like a like how you use Bitcoin or Solana. What is it?
Solano, yeah.
Solano or Ether to like fund other coins. Like you use that and then put it into the market and buy other coins with.
Yeah.
That's going to be the same for XRP. This other thing that said Bitcoin was basically like what's it called?
Okay.
Yeah, it was the beta for it. And they just partnered with MasterCard. I think.
We're
This
gonna
is
be
for all of
millionaires.
y'all. Get in now.
Get in now.
$2.30.
Next
It's
year.
$2.30. Just
Next
put it
year's
even
our millionaire
$10.
year.
Because what if it is Bitcoin? You're gonna be like, oof.
And
Should've
then some
listened.
influencer swoops in
Darn
and
it.
tries to make a scam out of it.
No,
When
not this time.
Did you buy some yet? Because I told you about this like 2 weeks ago.
Ripple, I haven't yet. No, I
Oh,
haven't.
sucks.
I haven't.
It's gonna get left behind.
So what about Dogecoin? Do you think that's
Agency, Doge.
not that one?
Elon?
No, the coin.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
he
but
runs.
Oh, he runs the
yeah, no, but he made
But he gave
Doge.
it that
You just
government
figured that
efficiency?
out.
But that's a new department, right?
It will
Yes.
be.
Just created. Yeah,
Yeah.
so
But Doge is also a coin that's been around for a long time.
yeah,
It
but
has.
Elon,
Because Elon wanted to feel included.
it's giving time traveler. Your
Look
phone.
at
We're gonna
you.
order you some right now.
Yeah, can I get it on
we
Cash
gotta get
App?
this
or-
on.
Can I get it on cash?
You can buy stock on Cash App.
But like
Cash
the Hawk
out.
Tuah coin.
Yeah.
That's
Like-
a thing.
What is
No,
it?
they're
Yeah,
saying
that
she's
was
going
it.
to jail.
Mm-hmm.
What's it
Good.
called?
The Hawk Tuah coin. Well, I
Hawk
mean,
Tuah.
I might be wrong, but
I've
basically,
not heard of it.
the girl behind Hawk
I'm not-
Tuah made a meme coin, and
He
then
doesn't know what that is.
A meme coin. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No,
Yeah,
you don't know what
he
Hawk
does know.
Tuah is.
No, I don't know what Hawk.
You know when you hot.
Well, a Hawk
There
Tuah
we
is
go.
when a
You
boy and
spit?
a girl love each
You
other very
spit
much,
on that
and then
thing?
the girl spits on that thing.
Okay. Oh.
Got-
You
We're
said when
done.
a boy and girl love each other very much.
Okay, I get the picture. I didn't know that was a coin.
Me either. Just
No,
learned that
she's
Well,
today.
I didn't until it was the news broke about it, because like people lost money buying into that coin, because like she made a
I think
profit,
she's a
but
government
the other people
plant.
did not. Like other people were like, "But I put my life savings into that. She should go to jail."
Ooh, yeah, people go crazy. I mean, they just
Mhm.
put everything in.
Mm-hmm.
No, it like went
Borrow
up and then
money?
it dropped seconds after it launched. And so she took all the money out basically.
Yeah.
Rug pull. Yeah. I want to hear about this conspiracy that she works for the government. Biden put her out.
Oh, now you think Biden's a plant too?
Biden's dead.
Okay.
Oh.
This is true, actually.
He's got clones.
Or somebody's wearing his face, you know, the masks.
Mm-hmm.
They're
Just
just,
to keep
weekend
up.
at Birdie's him. They're just like, he's still here. Hey. It's Kamala standing behind him, like, he's still here.
I feel like this has nothing. This is
Dance
taking like
party
a
with
hard
Beyonce.
left.
Beyonce.
I like where it's going.
Nobody believes that.
Who? I do.
That
You
he's
know,
not.
have you
that
seen
he's
the mask? Should we pull the mask onto the?
Yeah, we should.
Wait, there's a mask.
No, there's literally masks that look exactly like people, and they put them
They're
on.
like extremely realistic.
Well, if it's on TikTok,
It's
you
how
know
we
it's-
speak to each other is through TikTok.
Yeah.
For now.
No, Trump's gonna stop that ban.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yes, 1,000%.
He's like back
Isn't
and
it
forth
very
about it
good?
because, like, originally he wanted TikTok banned, and then the second time he ran, he was just like, "Actually, I love TikTok. I'm a huge star on it." Like,
See, 2025.
Everything you know is a lie, so just tell yourself that.
you don't even know if we're real.
No.
We could be AI.
No, you can tell in the eyes.
What if I just pulled out sunglasses? Like, what eyes?
Oh my gosh, I'm kidding me.
All right. Cryptocurrency. You're saying Ripple. Is it? I mean, maybe I should get some.
Oh, and it's
Just do
and
it. What do you
Just
got
a few
to
dollars will turn
lose?
into a million. Yeah.
it's like, why wouldn't you? It's like you
It
could
sounds like
you
the
could go buy a
gambler logic that you
lottery
just did.
ticket for $20,
What do you
or
have
you
to
could put it in
lose?
stock.
Yeah.
Either way, it's gonna either
It's not
stay
like
the same
you're,
or it's
like,
gonna go up, and you're gonna
Dumping your
make
money,
some
you
money.
can take it out whenever you want.
Yeah.
It's not
basically
gonna
like
go
a
down to
savings.
zero.
It probably wouldn't, right? Especially if the.
no.
No.
Let's check it.
It's gonna go up,
I wanna check it.
or it's
Yeah,
gonna
let's see
stay
what
the
the
same, and you're
price
gonna
is.
lose no money. So it's like,
Yep.
no, it's being used to pay off the U.S. debt. That's also another part of it.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah, we're down to $2.28.
Yeah, you better get it now.
Before it gets to a million.
I also saw another thing. It's about to I saw that there's like this little leakage. I get all my information on TikTok. You better not take it down.
Yeah. Where are you going to get your information?
I'm not.
God.
But they're saying that there's ETFs they're about to drop for Ripple, and then when that happens, it's about to like
Oh.
skyrocket.
Yeah, because then like people, like investors, like companies can put money in. They can't just buy Ripple. They have to go through like a legit place.
That's what it is. I didn't even know what it was.
Yeah.
I thought it was. I know it's like an investing fund.
It's an exchange traded fund. So in the back end,
So is that like your companies that when you have the 401k, like that's what they can invest in?
maybe they limit it to certain things. So on the back end, there's some that own just Bitcoin. There's some that own like, different things. So if there's one that owns just Ripple and it's very successful, like if people think it's gonna like go up in value, then an investment firm can't put money into Ripple. I don't think. I think there's some rules, or they just don't like that. But they can put money into an exchange traded fund.
Why do I feel like he's still not going to get any?
He's not.
Are you though?
Okay, hold on.
I will
Where's-
think about
my
it. Like, where do we find
if I can
Ripple?
get it on Venmo or Cash App,
You can get it on
Download
Uphold.
Uphold.
what's that?
I'll send it to
Uphold?
you.
Uphold.
It's an investing app.
Okay,
Sounds like
simple.
an investing app.
send me a link. If I can't get it on
What's
something,
$10?
put in like $1,000. Then he's gonna be richer than us. Like, what the-
He's gonna be like, this pays off my kids' college. Take
said
that
they're
more
not
than
going to
60
college.
cents.
No, they can take care of themselves. They can get a student loan.
Exactly.
He said, I'm about to be living life. Sorry, guys.
Yeah. I can't talk right now. I'm at the beach. I want to know about a time
A
that you were
time.
really, really broke.
Right now.
Right now. Thank you.
Yes.
Kristen.
Had no, okay. Shut.
Let's talk. What do you want to know?
Wait, is he offering us money? Is that why
I'm
he wants to
not-
know?
No, I'm just curious. I think it's interesting.
Can he be a sponsor?
My mom's friend
Makes me feel
bought a
better.
U-Haul and stole it.
Stole the
And
stole the
slept-
U-Haul and lived in it.
slept in it. Yeah,
Hey, that's rent free,
exactly.
I just want to be.
and it comes with a car.
We should all be rent free,
Exactly.
personally.
Rent free.
Yeah, everyone. Should
We're
have
like $10
Yeah,
basic
housing should be
needs.
a right.
A house,
Mm-hmm.
food, clean
Yeah.
food, because we got poison in our food right now.
Right.
Some clothes. That's all I'm asking for. A job.
You deserve it. You deserve it.
Dang.
XRP's on the vision board, you know.
Is it?
Is it?
What
You
else
put
is
it
on the
there?
vision
It says
board? I'm curious.
XRP equals to the moon.
Really?
Yes, I put it on there.
Oh, lots of things.
You should see how
No,
big my vision board
It's
is.
this
It's
big.
No, it's bigger than this TV.
No, it's probably the
How
same.
small is your writing?
No, it was pictures. We
No.
printed them all
Oh,
out.
Printed all the
pictures.
Yeah.
It's like you guys made a real Pinterest board.
We did.
No, it's
Offline
legit.
and
How
you
much has
just
come
look
true?
at it.
A lot of it.
lot.
Actually.
A lot of it.
Yeah.
We got to Arizona in 2 months.
Yep.
Oh, that was on your vision board.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Do you delete things after they happen?
No.
No,
No, it's like a
board. It's
collage.
actual board, yeah.
Like
We printed all the
glued
pictures
on
out.
or like taped on.
Yeah.
I'll have to show you a picture of it. It's
Yeah,
really
yeah.
cool.
I'd like to see that. Definitely. Should bring it.
Podcasts. Yep,
Oh, podcast was on there, wasn't it? Or it was on yours.
it was on mine.
Oh, you have? Do you have?
Oh,
one?
she had a YouTube
YouTube
Gold.
Gold Award on there. I don't know
Why?
why. I don't even have a YouTube.
So
Let's
that
see,
might be
silver-
coming.
Silver's 100,000 subscribers.
There's a silver one and a gold one on there. There's two.
I think you could do that easily.
Yeah.
A feast room
A peace room.
with the Tates.
What's a peace room?
There's no clue what that is.
Look, like Andrew Tate does the War Room.
Do you know who Andrew Tate is?
I know who he is. I don't know if he.
Do you like him?
I don't know anything about him.
Oh my gosh.
Do you like him?
Do I like? Why? What?
Do you know him?
No.
You hate him?
Although there was one funny thing that I saw with Andrew Tate online, there was that guy where after Trump got president, there was that guy that was saying online to women, "Your body, my choice." And so, long story short, a bunch of women doxed his address out in Illinois, and then when he got all depressed on Twitter, Andrew Tate followed up with him like, "Nah, monkey, your body, our choice." Like Andrew Tate was not on this guy's side.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know anything about him.
Ugh, love
Isn't
him.
he in
Love
jail
him.
or something though?
I'm
No.
gonna
No,
not
he's not in
anymore.
jail.
I'm gonna marry him.
You're gonna marry him?
I'm gonna marry
Mark
his
my
brother.
words.
Is that on your vision board?
You guys can have
Actually,
him.
he is on my vision
You know?
board. I'm not
She
even
said we could
joking.
have him. Wait, I want his brother though. Tristan.
Chris Tate?
Tristan.
Prostate.
Christian? No. Christian Tate.
Tristan.
Kristen.
Tristan with a T.
Trist-
Tristan.
Tristan.
Chris Tate.
No, he's just like
Trish?
very masculine.
Oh, they both are,
I need to
right?
see
Yes.
pictures of him.
Not the physical, well, physically, but
Okay, not
But you mean,
physical,
like,
so I'll
mental-
lower my
His
expectations.
personality,
no,
his
he is
confidence.
good, very good looking.
Okay.
But no, they just like traditional masculinity. Like they go to the extreme, like especially Andrew, but that's a persona.
I think it is too. Yeah.
But it's also like it's true and it's funny. He just plays on it because
Doesn't
people get
care.
mad.
It's like
Yeah.
rage bait.
And you
He's
know,
a
people
rage
love
baiter.
rolling into rage.
Yeah.
People love it.
Rage bait. I've never heard that term.
I thought about making my whole TikTok rage bait. Just like saying like off the wall things
Yeah.
to make people angry, and then they engage, and then you
They
get
will.
famous.
And they'll say F you, and then they'll watch all your videos.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Mhm.
it's true.
No, it's
Mhm.
very
There are
true.
people that just hate watch, and they're like, I watch your content, but I still hate you.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna follow you so I can see.
I'm
what
going to
other
follow you so I
dumb
can hate
shit
you
do.
more.
Mhm.
Exactly.
But that's just like the state of the world right now. Angry.
It is. Yeah, I
Does
think
it-
Trump did. I mean, do you think Trump did that? Do you think he's purposely being like,
I think he's a genius.
I
I-
think he's
I-
playing chess.
I
Not
think,
checkers.
yeah,
Well,
yeah, you
everybody
guys
else
are,
is playing
yeah,
checkers.
yeah, he's smart.
He knows way more. And Barron,
Baron's a time traveler.
Who's Baron?
his
His
son.
son. His IQ's like insane.
Oh, really?
hmm Smart guy. Yep.
He got him
Isn't
on
he a
Joe
kid,
Rogan.
though?
Hmm?
Who
He's
was
like
on Joe
18,
Rogan?
isn't he?
Baron? Or-
No, Donald. But
Mm.
that's the reason, because Barron.
Oh yeah,
Told him to go on Joe
Baron. Baron
Rogan.
was like, "You need to go on."
That
Joe
probably
Rogan."
won him the
Yeah, that
presidency.
probably is what made him win.
Yeah. I think the assassination attempt, as
Oh,
bad
yeah,
as
that
it
was
was,
too.
I
Both
think
of them?
that, huh?
Both of them.
Oh, yeah, there
Oh, there-
was two.
There's two.
I thought there were, but only one shot, right?
Correct.
Well, let's cut this off.
Whatever.